JD 26 tips and repairs and hobbies, and we've got King Kong here, just finished on a 3D printer. These, I want to show you about supports. These are supports everywhere. These are tree supports. So when you hit everywhere in Cura, you have this tree supports going all around the model. Okay, over here, and this is the skirt or the prim. I think I used a brim for the bottom so the model would adhere. I tried this model twice and it wouldn't stick because I had no support down here for the feet to stick to the plate. This right here is a 5mm support I put in, 5mm tube, and really I've got there and on the other side these tubes. So when I did this model, I could have eliminated everywhere and just put the tubes in. So that's what you can do when you're working in Cura with the supports for your model, and you go to slice it. You know, look at it in preview mode, and you'll find out, you know, what it looks like when you slice it and then save it as G-code. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'm going to work on this and take those supports out, and hopefully I'll have a decent model. See you next time. Bye for now.